House on the City Walls by Plataforma de ARquitectura plus Rita Alves Arch in Cascais, Portugal. In the ancient center of a village by the sea, a centenary house was built leaning against the medieval defensive wall. This building grew by adding and suppressing spaces to the depth of the old wall, which was the starting point of the project. The intervention did not intend to some area to the existing, but to invent new spaces inside the building, while convoking its own medieval spirit. All rooms received a new role. A kitchen inhabited a generous room, with cabinets that add depth to the wall and counters that recess, in a succession of arches and niches. From the reunion of 3 rooms, a double-height library was born, linking 2 floors in its volume through a playful brass stair. New space connections were created to bring fluidity and natural light to the communal rooms, while the private rooms improved the feeling of intimacy. Fireplaces and candle lights warm all of the rooms, in a sustainable and comfortable way. The material solutions reinforced the medieval spirit of the project. Counters, benches, showers and basins were shaped in massive limestone elements. Exposed solid wood boards were used in the ceilings, doors and shutters. All hardware and hanging rods are in natural brass, stuccos and paints are lime-based, and the windows present slim iron frames. The furniture was designed or selected specifically to strengthen the project, especially the heavy elements of solid wood. In result, the project combines the excellence of the ancestral natural materials and constructive systems, while achieving a lightful, inviting and amusing house.